How to send photos in TikTok message. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, then tap on TikTok. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, as you're logged into your account, you'll be able to see different videos over here on TikTok. Here, what you simply need to do is select the profile over here where you would want to send a message. So just tap on message as you tap onto the gallery, and as you tap on message, simply tap on the gallery icon. So here you can just tap on the gallery icon. Let me try with another account over here. And as you tap on the gallery icon, you'll be able to send the picture, or you can send photos in your TikTok message. But since this feature is not available in my region, you can use your VPN and just select the region and then send the images in your TikTok message. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.